Hey guys, so before we start, I want you to think back to the last video. Think about my desk, all of the trash and the spare parts that were everywhere, and then I want you to look at this. Yeah, so over break, I had some extra time out of school, not doing a whole lot, so I decided, well, why not clean up my desk? And with the help of some Christmas gifts, I kind of reorganized the whole thing. Well, not completely reorganized. I cleaned it up quite a bit, and put some stuff, added some stuff, took out quite a bit, and yes, today we're going to be going over that. Starting off all the way on the left, I did get a microphone because I've never really been happy with the audio quality from I record with my phone because my camera or the camera that I would use has it would cover maybe this much of the screen from here to here, but I'm not using it right now. Does have the regular 3mm plug, but since I have an Android, can't connect it without it actually thinking that the microphone is a speaker. But this is the Neewer NW700 condenser microphone. Looking forward to getting it all booted up. I'll have to get an adapter so that this goes into a so my phone can recognize it as a microphone and not as a speaker. It would be kind of cool if it worked as a speaker though. Moving that aside, it does articulate everywhere. Can go all sorts of places, out here. Yeah, so over here on the left, I had this trash here before, or these, not trash, things here before, box cutter, not quite the nicest part. This is one of those, Hexbike had a line of, battle bots that they did. I don't think I have batteries in this, but from the show BattleBots, I actually really like that show. Tombstone, always my favorite. That's over here. Other stuff, Raspberry Pi, on a car thing. Then this is actually the first Pinewood Derby car I ever built. It used to be in a different place, but I decided to bring it over since it was the first car that I actually made. Believe it or not, I got third place with this, number 69. I was not thinking when I made that, and I was 7. So yeah, a lot of good memories with this. I had some weights on it, some wheel covers. I did the Pinewood Derby, I think 2 more times. Never won it. I actually wasn't there for 2 of them. Over here we have some pens and stuff, other souvenirs. Then over here, this is the Tamiya cutting mat in the A3 size. And I got rid of that Revell box with the Bronco on it and replaced it with this. I took my current logo, and I kind of I took my Red Cat Everest Gen 7, I kind of traced the outline on a piece of paper. I taped it all off, and then I airbrushed it. I'm not going to show that in this video because, well, that's a completely different thing. Got quite a bit of overspray, but I don't actually mind it too much. It looks pretty cool. We can have my stuff here, and it's a nice white background contrasting the other colors. Over here, or up here, we have, this is just a, yeah, my gas masks. This is a, ruler that I taped to this shelf here. And I have put some magnets on it, and then on that I put some screwdrivers, scissors, more screwdrivers, clamp, and some tweezers. Down here we've got some kind of miscellaneous hobby stuff and Dremel bits. Going over here we have a cup with some other stuff in it. Tires, my drivers, Dremel, clamp, some grease from that 1 to 32nd scale, right? 32nd scale. Little Jeep that I had. And let's see, coming up here, I do have this this camera. Used to shoot with it as well. That's the wide angle lens with all the kind of distortion around the sides. I didn't like that, so that's up here. Maybe eventually I'll use it to get some bird's eye views of what I'm doing, without the shadow though. Let's see, 2 lights, one there, one there, so it can be a lot brighter. Kind of adjust them. This one is an IKEA. They're both IKEA lights. One here kind of more adjustable than this one is more of like a desk light, regular desk light. So I can hopefully get good coverage of my desk with that. This one's a little bit brighter, so I can use it for some more detailed parts, or detailed things. One on the right's a little bit, covers a little bit more. Yeah, nice. Lit up desk now. I'm working to get rid of some of the shadows. This is a little bit dirty. Underneath it, some dirt, styrofoam. And yeah, that's about it for my desk. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.